Here is a step-by-step guide to adding hardware entries. In the left navigation sidebar, click on Job. Click on Hardware from the drop-down menu to open the Hardware Details page. Click the field and select or type the client name. Select the appropriate grade level. Choose the assigned section, Item. Search for and select the item description. Specification. Enter detailed specs matching your tax invoice/voucher, for example, screen size, RAM, SSD details. Date. Select the date of invoice/receipt using the date picker. Invoice. Number. Type in the relevant invoice/voucher reference number. Serial number. Enter the unique device serial number matching the invoice. Replaceable. Set the drop-down to yes or no as required. Add multiple rows. Click the floating plus button, bottom right, to expand extra item entry fields under the same client/section. Save entries. Once all item fields are accurately filled out, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching.